Cheers. Good morning. Hey guys, it is afternoon. We just had breakfast and lunch, and we are now sitting out on the balcony patio. And we used up our cups yesterday and they weren't replenished, so we're just gonna sit out here and be classy rock stars and sip from the bottle. So that's what we're doing. And then we're gonna go to tea time at Purdy. That'll be fun. We did that on our last cruise. They bring out tea and scones and pastries, and it was a really good time. So we're hoping that this ship does the same. And then a couple comedies. And then tonight we are going to Chebang for dinner with some of our friends from dinner. So that should be fun because the celebration has one free dinner at Chebang and one free dinner at Cucina del Capitano, the Italian restaurant. And then after that you have to pay $8. So we are enjoying and relaxing and just having a good day. Alright, I'll show you what happens next. Bye. Clap. We are at Guy's Barbecue and we just ordered a snack before our dinner at Chebang. So we have mac and cheese, which looks a little strange. So Sean is gonna taste test it. And then French fries, and then of course we have our flight, which our flight was $10. And you got to pick 4 different beers from a list that you wanted to try.
Irish Red, Celebration Key, and the Heroes Pale Ale. Okay, enjoy.
So they're pretty good.
Pretty tasty.
So give that weird looking mac and cheese a try. And let us know how you like it.
Yeah, it's cheesy.
Ooh. So Sean, what do you think?
Pretty cheesy.
You like it?
That's not bad.
Good.
Pretty good.
All right. Then we're gonna go to Chebang.